Give me 30 seconds and I'll show you how to transform your shower into a spa-like oasis. Ever felt the need for a moment of relaxation, but just couldn't find the time to visit a spa? The solution is simpler than you think. Cleverfy Shower Steamer's Aromatherapy is here to turn your daily shower routine into an indulgent spa experience. With a 6-pack of scents like lavender, menthol, eucalyptus, vanilla, watermelon, grapefruit, and peppermint, these shower steamers release relaxing aromas that soothe the mind and invigorate the body. They're cruelty-free, packed with essential oils, and provide a strong, lasting scent, perfect for gifting or a personal treat for superior self-care. Ready to dive into bliss? Check out the link in the bio to make every shower a luxurious escape.
I hope you're enjoying the content on my channel. If you like what you see and want to keep up with all the latest videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. Subscribing not only supports the channel, but also ensures you won't miss out on any of our upcoming content. It's quick, it's free, and it really helps us out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.